Hello everyone. Today I'm going to share with you a few of my Montessori inspired activities for children 1.5 to 3 years old. We have a blue sensory bin, a matching activity, a sorting activity. We're going to match some shapes. And we're also going to work on a pre-writing activity using a dry erase marker, an eraser, and some Play-Doh. So we have a blue sensory bin, and what I used is a box from the dollar store, from Dollar Tree, and things that you have around the house. So here's a blue airplane. It's a little whistle. A blue top. Cookie Monster. Some pom-poms, blue ribbon, Grover, a blue egg, now you need to be careful with these. For this activity, I included some erasers, some mini erasers, but if your child still puts things in his mouth, be very careful with that. A blue car, a bow, a blue lizard. This is a good activity for oral language development. Car, another top. So on and on the child goes, taking out the different items and saying the name of each one and placing them on the other basket. Okay, so for this activity, I made this printable. I took pictures of some of the items from the blue sensory bin, and I made this printable. So what the child is going to do is match the blue object with the printable. So here's Cookie Monster. Okay, what about this car? Where does it go? Right here. What about the blue plane? And the blue bear right there. And Grover goes right there. And this monster goes right here. Now, I also made some pictures that they can match as well. So the plane goes right there. The car. Can you match the blue bear? What about the blue Grover? It goes right there. And this monster goes right here. And Cookie Monster goes right there. This next activity is a sorting activity. Sorting helps with concentration. It also helps as they pick up the little erasers, they're using their pincer grasp. So what they do, they pick up the item. Where does the blue bird go? Right here. What about the yellow bird? And they go on and on sorting and putting all the little erasers in the proper place. For this next activity, I went ahead and made this printable with some shapes. And so what the child is going to do is look at the shape and then match it. Where does the blue heart go? Right here. What about the rectangle? Where does the blue rectangle go? What about the blue circle? The blue square? The blue triangle? And where does the blue oval go? I went ahead and put a little bit of Velcro on each one of these so that they do not fall off. This is a great way to learn their shapes. For this next activity, this is for number recognition. And I went ahead and got this printable. This is a free printable that I got from ABCs to ACTs. That's the name of the website where I got this printable. So we're gonna do a couple of things. We're gonna talk about the number one, and you can have your child use a dry erase marker to trace the number 1. And they're also going to do the same thing over here. I went ahead and I put a green dot where they're going to start and a red dot where they're going to finish. So we're teaching them to trace the proper way to trace their numbers. Start at the green dot and end at the red dot. Another thing that we can do with this is use some Play-Doh. So they get a little bit of Play-Doh, they roll it, and then they're making a number 1 out of Play-Doh. I also have these numbers, they're from a puzzle, and you can say that's the number 1, and there's one bird. Number 1, one bird. Here's another number 1, and there's the little train. One train. 1. This is one-to-one correspondence. You also can teach them, this is how we say 1. 1. They'll have a lot of fun with this activity. This is laminated so that they can go ahead and work with the Play-Doh. Here it says to draw a gold coin, but they can work with their Play-Doh. They can make a circle, and that would be their coin right there. So a fun way to learn their numbers. Number 1. I hope you liked the activities that I had for you today. This is a fun way to get children to learn, to play, and to have fun. See you next time. Thank you.